Yo, what's going on guys? Today in this video I'm going to make a mini computer setup with Raspberry Pi 4. I'm also doing the giveaway of this computer. If you want to participate, then watch this video till end. So let's do this. First of all, we have to design its cabinet. For that I'm using Tinkercad website. Okay, designing is done and this is how our PC will look like. Looks pretty cool. So let's print this on our 3D printer.
On my phone, they keep calling me. Girlies at my shows, why they all on me? I don't want them, no, get them all off me. Say that for L, she a cause, you see.
Approximately 10 hours later.
The 3D printing is done and it took more than 10 hours.
Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No. I won't stop.
The 3D printed parts of our cabinet is ready and they looks very good. Now we just have to glue them together.
No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave.
For the side panel, I'm using this real acrylic sheet.
Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No. I won't stop. I won't stop. Ooh, never panic. Get a worry, send it up and then advantage. Yeah, I can't stand it. Out of order way you move and see you scrambling. On offense, no defense. Stood strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this. Now they wish they could beat this. Tables set, now tables turn. God's plan, I don't say a word. Know the price, cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss.
Okay, our cabinet is almost ready. So let's head to the electronics parts. This is the Raspberry Pi 4. It has a quad-core processor which clocked at 1.5 GHz and it comes with 4 GB of RAM. Along with, I'm using this new ice tower cooler. It also has a RGB fan which gives a little gaming look to it. So let's install it into the Raspberry Pi. My friends, the cooler installation is done and I also attach a 5 volts fan with the Raspberry Pi. It will be used for the air intake into the PC cabinet. Now it's time to install an operating system into the Raspberry Pi. With the help of ETA Prime's this video, you can install it easily. I will leave the link in the description box. Now we have to install all this into the cabinet. So let's do this. Finally, our Raspberry Pi PC is ready. I also made a little 5 inches monitor for it, and it looks perfect with our CPU. The only thing I do not like about this monitor that the HDMI and power input ports are on the upside. Anyway, let's power up and see how it works. So that's it for today guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So let's talk about the giveaway. You have to follow these steps for participating in this giveaway. I will announce the results in a week. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Problems are solved, I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it, cause bitch I got problems on